Glacier. The word glacier refers to a large mass of ice that forms from compacted snow over a long period of time. Glaciers are typically found in cold regions, such as polar areas or high mountain ranges. They are constantly moving, albeit at a very slow pace. Glaciers are formed when snowfall exceeds the amount of snow that melts during the warmer months. Over time, the weight of the accumulated snow compresses the lower layers into ice. As more snow falls and compacts, the ice thickens, creating a glacier. Here are a few examples of how the word glacier can be used in sentences. 1. The polar regions are home to some of the largest glaciers in the world. In this sentence, glaciers refers to the massive ice formations found in the polar regions, such as Antarctica or Greenland. 2. We hiked to the top of the mountain and saw a breathtaking glacier. In this example, glacier describes a stunning ice formation that the speaker observed during their hike. 3. The retreat of glaciers is a concerning sign of climate change. Here, glaciers highlights the gradual movement and shrinking of ice formations, which is seen as an indicator of climate change. 4. The glacier carved out the valley over thousands of years. In this sentence, glacier is used as a verb to indicate the process of erosion and shaping a valley by a moving ice mass. Glaciers are not only visually impressive but also play a crucial role in shaping landscapes, providing freshwater resources, and influencing climate patterns.